Morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben, aka Notions. Welcome to my channel if you are a new viewer, or a warm welcome back if you are a current subscriber to my channel. This video is just really about how annoyed and a bit pissed off I am with the CBD weed or CBD hemp bud situation with me living in this supported accommodation place or shared house in North Devon, South West England. Basically because I'm not allowed to even have CBD hemp on the premises for some weird reason, even though it is fully legal and it doesn't break any law under any section of the law at all. There is no law being broken or breached. So I, for one, do not see why anyone, not just me, but anyone in supported accommodation throughout the country cannot have CBD hemp bud stored in their bedroom, locked with a locked door behind it, and smoked off of the premises in the street and basically used as a medication, because at the end of the day CBD is a medicine. It calms people down, it relaxes them, and it helps with, well, it helps me anyway greatly with insomnia, which I've suffered from since at least 2004, and that's basically all of my adult life bar 2 years, as I'm 36 now, so it's almost half of my life I've suffered from insomnia, and I finally find something that helps with this and it enables me to sleep, and it gets it gets made out to be something that I am not allowed to even keep on this site. And when I first moved in here, I was allowed to smoke it because one of the support workers kind of bent the rules, or whatever you want to call it, and I was allowed to keep it in the office, locked away, in a safe, to be honest, which is a bit of a joke, but yeah, that's it, that's the way it was. And she allowed me to smoke it off of the premises, in the street, which doesn't harm anyone. I don't harm any other individual or any other third party by smoking CBD hemp bud. So I don't really know what the problem is about it, because like it helps me calm down and relax, and yeah, helps make me sleep. And now I'm on Zopiclone, and I only get 14 7.5 mil Zopiclones every 28 days, so I can't even take a Zopiclone every night. So basically it's take half a Zopiclone every night and get fuck all sleep, or take one Zopiclone every 2 days and get fuck all sleep 1 out of 2 days, so half the time I have fuck all sleep. So yeah, it's pretty much pissing me off, to be honest with you all, and I don't know a way around it except for to move house. And it seems pretty extreme for something so trivial such as CBD, which isn't illegal. It's like, I really am going to elevate this matter and get my case heard. So I just do not see what the fucking problem is about it. Well, the case is, there is no problem. In a lot of people's eyes, in my eyes, there is zero issue with CBD hemp. Anyone can smoke it, providing they're an adult, over the age of 18 of course, or maybe in the USA it's over 21, but I ain't in the USA, I'm in England, in the United Kingdom. So yeah, I should be allowed to smoke CBD hemp off the premises, so not on the premises of my official residential address, on the street somewhere in Bideford in North Devon. It's just ridiculous. It's just because I am not allowed by the stupid rules of this house to keep CBD hemp on site, even if it is locked away, even if it is in my wardrobe, say. And my door is always locked in my room. I double check it is locked every time I leave this room. And it is an absolute shambles, in my opinion, that I am not allowed to keep this stuff in my bloody bedroom. I don't smoke it on site. As I've said 4 times now, I smoke it off the premises. Or I would smoke it off the fucking premises if I was allowed the bloody stuff here. Yeah, the time has arrived now to think about handing my notice in. And I've emailed my text my social worker asking if there is any chance she can find me alternative accommodation so I can get to live in a place where I am allowed to store my CBD hemp, which is obviously legal. It isn't even cannabis, which is illegal, even though I think that as well, that should be made legal. Of course it should. It's a medicine. But yeah, that is another argument. But we will get there eventually. Not under the fucking Tory scum government, but probably under a better Labour Party government who would care more about these kind of issues. But who knows? The future may hold something different. Anyway, yeah, as you can tell, I'm not in the best of moods today because of having really broken sleep, and I mean very broken sleep. I wake up every 10 or 15 minutes through the night, and I just feel like fucking cracking up all the time, to be honest with you. I've come off like 5 or 6 different drugs, mentally and physically addictive, but more than half of those are physically addictive. Came off 800 milligrams of pregabalin, 30 milligrams of diazepam, and 7.5 milligrams of zopiclone in 2 days when I was sectioned in the psychiatric ward. That was fucking hell. They didn't give a shit about me there. They just wanted to make my life an absolute misery. Because I was awake for near on 2 weeks before the GP would even reinstate me with a small 10 milligram dose of fucking diazepam, which is physically addictive, and I've been on benzo since 2004. The same as I've been on zopiclone, and I've been on pregabalin since about 2009 or 10 or 8 or something, I don't know, but a good 10 years. So yeah, it isn't too good really. So I'll end this video now, and if anyone has any suggestions on how I can get around this issue, perhaps without moving house, although that is the only feasible thing I can do right now, please leave your suggestions in a comment on this video. So yeah, I'll end it now. Thanks a lot for watching and putting up with my rambling and in a bad mood. But yeah, that's the way it is at the moment. So yeah, please share this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see any more videos from me. But yeah, I do understand if you don't want to subscribe because it is pretty shitty stuff. But yeah, please also like this video if you agree with my views and want to help me at all. So yeah, cheers all, bye.